What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. As you can see my crack foot. Can you see my crack foot? Can you see my crack foot or not? Okay, yeah. Can you see? This is my foot is entire crack. I'm using this one for like last 1 month. This one I give 6 out of 10. This is not for serious treatment, especially as you can see my crack foot. Don't worry, I'm gonna clean the table with Dettol after putting my feet down. Don't worry, yeah. So before first I wash my feet, clean with the Dettol, this is antiseptic, and then put this cream. Let me show you by putting a little bit. Let me zoom out so you can better see. Okay, here's the cream. Okay, this is made from the marula oil and cocoa butter. Here we go. Okay, let me just put here. Okay, here we go. I mean, uh, again, this do not have urea. You know what urea? If you have extreme crack fit, try to use something with 25%, 20%, or even 40% urea. This one is that. I mean, this one I use as a secondary precaution. How? Normally, I use a urea cream or something like very serious, something maybe like this one, like extreme crack fit, something like that. I use when I go to sleep. My wife put this cream on my feet, and maybe she put socks or not, because at night time she do my massage. Like, I love my wife, she's one of the best. She's a doctor. Okay, she did 2 master in computer engineering and then GIS, and she did her PhD degree in computer vision, artificial intelligence. But she, I don't know, she love like taking care of my feet, especially she love trying new things on me. She watch a YouTube video, like she always wanna try some kind of stuff, like some kind of hack. I say, okay, please do not try another hack. Sometimes she was rubbing the lemon, it was very itchy. Do not try to that too. You get it. You get my wife watch YouTube hack video, which most of are fake, and then she wanna try on my feet. Like, I am her like guinea pig. Anyway, so nowadays she's not doing that hacks. Now she just put this curry, and then she's like literally sometimes capture the picture, and then even she make a note what is the condition of my feet. This one I say use as a second. If you have an extreme crack fit like me, I will be making a video on my different travel channel giving my full, like how many creams I use, how I take it, because this was extreme. This bleed every day, but right now it's not bleeding. How the bleeding stop? Again, I will give like 6 out of 10 to this one. This is good, but this is not for extreme crack fit like me. Do not buy for extreme crack fit like me. Buy it as a secondary cream. Maybe you just wanna moisture your feet. Maybe your feet have no problem. Then you buy this one. Okay, let me put my feet down. It was me, Jimmy Agik, and then my wife. I love you. I love you. Literally, you are the best wife ever I can have. Bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinitis pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example, such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy. I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die. Bye.